connection on social media? Wonder what that can be. So today I'm just coming here very briefly just to talk about raw live videos going like this on your phone, just natively in the app, and just maybe giving a helpful tip to people, maybe just being you. Now, it's not the most professional look. Maybe you're not feeling fantastic at the moment. Maybe you're going through a bit of difficulty. Maybe there are things happening in your live video that seem to sort of go wrong, like the dog barking or like the kids screaming or whatever it is. But everybody needs human to human connection. And it's great to be your best you with professional videos, professional content, with your branding, looking great, feeling great, and really nailing things, you know, for your business that you're selling. But it's also, I think personally, really important to just be human too. See your human, show your human side, even if you're not feeling fantastic, which is the case for me today, like a lot of days. But just connect.